Welcome back, Panthers. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Aiden.
And we're on the prowl. Prom tickets. Get your prom tickets. We have opened our invitation to sophomores, so get your tickets on My School Bucks today. Our theme is a roaring 20s, so that means flapper dresses and mobster suits. Eat 4 rivers as you take pictures at our photo booth with your friends and play into the night or play card games in our quiet corners. Hope to see you there.
Hey Panthers, we know you love to embarrass your friends, so let's have a quartet sing to them in class. Drama Club is taking orders for singing telegrams and has choices from all our amazing shows over the past 4 years. Check homeroom page for more details. Prices range from 1 singer for $2 or 4 singers for $5. Orders help our Panthers get to Tampa for the exciting state theater trip.
Seniors, have you earned scholarship money? If so, tell us about it. We love to recognize you at the Crooms Academy Awards. Check your emails and the Panther Planner for the link to the survey.
Speaking of scholarships, Crooms Leadership is offering 2 scholarships to seniors. In order to qualify, you must be a senior that is currently in SGA or senior class officer, or a senior who has participated in the leadership course while enrolled at Crooms. Both winners will receive $500 scholarships. Winners of the scholarship will be notified at the Crooms Senior Awards Night. Contact Ms. Bundrick for more information.
And now for our special reports.
Hey there, Crooms Academy! If you are a certified Panther like how this cool shirt says, then you are cool enough schmuck to attend CroomsCon!
Xbox games, PlayStation games, Nintendo games!
If you think you can find these types of games at CroomsCon, then you can come and play! It's our belief that you're such a cool awesome Panther that you will fall for this epicness.
Guaranteed!
If you like playing tabletop games,
then you can come and play!
You heard us, right? You can
come and play! Eat yummy food, rock out, enter a raffle!
Win prizes! That's right, you can win prizes!
Because at CroomsCon, we believe the real winners are our community!
Take a hike to CroomsCon, home of the CDL. That's right, the Crooms Gaming League.
How does it work?
If you compete at any of our Disciples competitive tournaments,
you win first place.
Then you get a sponsored prize.
Oh wait, no delay, only at CroomsCon, the only school-sponsored gaming convention in Seminole County.
Hurry up, Panthers!
Tickets to this event are currently $40 and will be $50 on the day of the event. February 21st.
Go to heaven! Crooms Academy, CroomsCon, Sanford's best, and a home to the coolest student body in the state of Florida.
Today we'll be interviewing a couple croomies about their study habits to learn a difference in students' academic lives. We're starting off here with an 11th grader at Crooms, Jasmine Baton. First question, how much studying would you say you do in a week on average?
I would say that I study like 3 hours a week if I have a test or something coming up.
Okay. What subjects do you focus on studying for?
I focus on studying in like biology and math right now.
And finally, do you believe that studying is always beneficial and a necessity to learn?
Yes, I agree with that because I don't think there's any downsides to studying, so for sure. Especially if you're not like fully aware about what the topic is.
All right. Thank you for your time, Jasmine. Secondly, we have another 11th grader with us, Mia DeSarno.
Hi.
How much studying do you do within a week on average?
So in addition to the time it takes for me to do my assignments, I'd say around 2 hours per subject, and I have 7, so 14 hours per week.
What subjects do you focus on studying for?
I'd say it's pretty equal across all my subjects, but there's probably a focus on computer science and psychology.
And finally, do you believe studying is always a necessity to learn a topic?
I think it depends on the subject and the teacher, so you could have a really good teacher and you wouldn't need to do any additional studying, but at the same time, you or the teacher could be really bad at that subject, and you'd have to put a little bit more effort in.
Thank you for your time, Mia. Have an awesome day, Panthers!
Hey Panthers, I'm Isaiah. AI is everywhere in the world today, but over-reliance of AI can negatively affect the students' learning. We're going to discuss the effects of AI on both students and teachers.
To it, right? So that's going to affect how people see it. most teachers would say. One of the biggest struggles we have is with students using AI in an academically dishonest way. But shout out to my wife at the district, Mrs. Carr. She is currently training teachers all over the county, including teachers here, about how to use AI in the classroom to benefit students and to help teachers out. So I'm hoping as we learn more and we integrate it more, we'll be able to use it in a better way that's better for everybody.
So do you think that AI is more positive or negative?
I think currently it's more negative just because often it's only used to get around thinking or workload. But I think as we integrate it more and as teachers find out better ways to use it and students become more comfortable with it, it can be a help to everybody.
Well, thank you, Mr. Carr. Hey, Panthers, I'm with Coach Wright, and today we're talking about AI in schools. Coach, what are your thoughts about AI in schools?
I think it can be helpful. I think it has its place in certain ways, but just like anything else, it's a tool that can be used for good or evil.
How much would you say you use AI?
I use it sometimes with, trying to be creative in my classroom.
And would you say AI is more helpful or harmful towards students?
I think it all comes down to the student, whether how they use it, when they use it, and when they decide to allow the AI to take over for themselves.
Well, thank you, Coach Wright. Hey, Panthers, I'm Isaiah and I'm with Aiden. Aiden, what are your thoughts about AI in schools?
I think it can be useful as like a tool for learning and studying, but most students take it for advantage and use it to cheat on their assignments and stuff, and that's it doesn't really help with their mind, it can make themselves they rely on AI.
Would you say that you use AI to cheat or help to study?
Oh, of course, help to study, yeah.
Hey, Panthers, I'm with Alex Ludwig. Alex, what are your thoughts about AI in schools?
It's quite helpful if you don't know the answer, because it'll elaborate the question for you, and then you can put it in your own words.
Do you think AI is more helpful or harmful towards you?
It's helpful because one time I didn't know the answer on a test, and then I found it out.
Thank you, Alex. Bye, Panthers.
Thanks, guys. That was really informative. Well, that's it for today, Panthers. See you next time on The Prowl.